special kind of way. But we are all God's children, created by Him. So let's show His justice as we live for Him. We thank you, Jesus, that you go before us and call us to show your love. Give us your heart so we live your compassion and do justice for a fairer world.
The earthquake in March, the place really smelled of rotting flesh still. There were still bodies in the rubble.
We are linked to one another in a special kind.
And all buildings, all my street shaking ups and down. Then I shouted loudly, said, come out, this is the earthquake. So all my neighbors, my surrounding me who lives, all people come out.
Justice in our spending, justice in our giving, we'll do justice for a fairer world. We'll be conscious consumers with a conscience over how we do business for a fairer world. In every way, for every day, we are linked to one another in a special kind of way. For we are all God's children, created by Him. So let's show His justice as we live for Him.
This is a contaminated water. If you drink, you will get all sickness. Diarrhea, dysentery, gastro, and malaria and typhoid.
To a world where personal greed is the creed.